Okay guys, you've been doing this for a long time. And you know what it is. Okay? I know I said I was going to be doing it, but I haven't. And you should be really excited. You've been asking to fly the birds. I've been talking about it for a long time. I said I'm going to fly the birds tomorrow, today. But no, I haven't. I'm sorry about that, and that's why I'm going to be doing it. You want to come out? This is like the third time I let him out today. Just been him. And we're not going to be able to see for 1 minute. Let's grab him. Look how nice he is. Ready? There he is. We're going to come back in just 1 minute. Sun's in my eyes, you probably can't see. Now you can tell. That's a good picture. I should maybe take that. That's a good picture. You probably can't hear my voice because there's a lawnmower. Like 3 of them. Oh wow. Okay. Probably can't see nothing right now because I'm just pulling this in. Okay, it's definitely broken. Okay, good, it's not. That's that. So, you didn't see this yet. This is me like a new nest box I'm thinking of. I got some hamster bedding. Where is that? Like right here. Think about trying that. She's in there. The eggs. That's the baby. You see the eggs in there. I think they put this in the comments. Should I pull like an egg out? Because they really don't lay 3. Should I pull an egg out? It's all on you guys. I'm still here now. They ate their food. I'll give them a little more. Fattening these guys up for a bit. There's gloves. I need those. And you're gonna, just a minute, I'm gonna grab that baby out. And, I'm only giving him this much food. I already fed them, but they look a little hungry. And I'm trying to get you guys to lay a couple more eggs, because they will. And that's gonna be it. And then we're gonna breed a couple more soon. And that's gonna be it for the season. We're gonna get like 5-10 more birds, and then I'm gonna be done for the season. Like I said, 1 trillion times. You can't see anything right now. You can just watch this. You can just look at the nice table. Here, just move that. There's nothing in there right now. Just need to put these gloves on. You're probably thinking, oh, you're scared or something. No, this is what I like to do. You guys should do this too. Whenever your pigeons is on eggs, and it's like most pigeons don't get mad, but the one I have, it does. Like the females that I've been breeding for a while, each probably wear gloves too. I just took off. Not down, it's flying. Okay, let me get you to this. You need to see this. See that right there? You can kind of see it. It's gonna be hard to do this. I don't know where it's going. There it is. See it? Oh, is that a hawk I just saw? Just saw something. Okay, this is going down. Okay. That's all. There's the pigeon. Nope. Yeah, it was a pigeon. I didn't know if you guys saw her or not, but I saw her hop. Like a falcon. There's a mower going on, so I don't know if you guys can really hear me. Okay. My pigeon's up there flying a flash. Okay, you can really see her. Okay, now it's just gonna be probably a full flying video. I think I'm gonna do the hand raising right after. I'm gonna try to do it 2-in-1, but no, I'm not. If you guys have any good tips for me, you can just put it in the comment section below. Oh, there it comes, right there. Perfect. I've been going low pretty lately. Now it's up there. Now it's taking off again. Why do you keep taking off? I think there's a hawk somewhere. I don't know what you guys think, but there it comes. There it is. My pigeon. I don't know why, like the other one's on the eggs, so it won't be coming out until a couple weeks, 2 weeks. Then, no, 3 weeks later, it'll be hatched. Yeah, this is gonna be a flying video. That's all I'm going for today. Sometimes I feed them. They're probably close all the time. It's annoying to stupid little chipmunks. Sometimes I try to feed them, but just to keep them away. But sometimes pigeons. Sometimes, like if I get a stray, I'll keep it. I'll like give it medicine. I'll help it, but I won't put it with my other birds. It's just stupid when it gets sick from a stray. It's just stupid. Like, I'll keep it in its own cage and like cook my strays, and I just can't find that bird. I don't know where it went, but let's hope it's not. Hope no hawk got it. It's one thing. It's on eggs now and a baby, so let's hope it's okay. I don't know where it is. It's probably in a tree somewhere. So this is gonna be it for the flying video. I'm gonna do one more video today, and that's gonna be it for a while. So you probably couldn't be seen for a while because I was down. I just noticed. Oh, there he is. I just saw him. So we're gonna do a couple more minutes of this video. See in the distance. So this is me for this video. Next video, if there's anything happening, I'll let you guys know. I'll show you. And that should be it for today. Well, other than the last video I'm going to be doing. And once that is over, and this will be it for about a week or so, maybe. So I do videos every couple of days. What are you doing? Don't check more. Get. Okay. This is my pigeon flying. There. Oh, kind of saw him. Can we see from over here? No. Oh! You'll see in the next video. Hey, the baby's crying. They're hungry. They're in this box. There. Stupid chipmunks. I'm probably gonna start being over here because here. A bird I love. I'm gonna breed her soon. She's definitely gonna be in the breeding summer. The summer's gonna be a good summer. Gonna lose a couple birds, but that's fine. So I'll see you next video. Bye. You can take off the glove. Bye.